Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 30th, our word of the day is gibe. G-I-B-E. Gibe. Gibe is a four-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Gibe is an insulting remark or comment intended to make someone look foolish. To gibe is to insult. Similar words include jab, sarcasm, swipe, derision, dig, jeer, joke, mockery, put down, scoffing, slam, snare, taunt, deride, diss. Examples of sentences using gibe are: the referee heard the jibes from the crowd, but, ever the professional, ignored them. She made a gibe about how late I was. His audience immediately heckled him with racist jibes. For his part, Reagan ignored the jibes, playing the part of the disciplined moderate. The bank is clearly fed up with the constant gibe that it has no clear management strategy. It's impolite to gibe at a foreign student's English. Make sure to save this new word, gibe, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!